What's going on, guys? Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures, and I've got a new product video for you here that I'm pretty excited about. This one, I think some of you guys will be too. It's on the bilge outlet. No drill, no cutting, not even a tool required to mount it to the seadoo. Check this out. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Again, if you're missing this content, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. And it's your choice if you want to view it or not. But anyway, guys, you've all seen my different mounts. And today I'm talking about the bilge mounts, the bilge outlets, where you don't have to cut into the side of your hull with a drill, with a Dremel, with anything, kind of taken away from your hull integrity. So anyway, not only that, it's messy, fiberglass all over you. Nobody wants that. So this was the first one that came out. This was the bilge mount, which also doubles as a flag holder or a selfie stick holder. It's phenomenal. It works fantastic. Got a 3/4 inch nipple. You've got the big hole here in the middle, and you can see all the way through there. That's the bilge outlet. And this has been tested upwards of 1,000 gallons per minute, or per hour, per minute. That would be sweet, huh? But anyway, and it works very, very well. So there were some people, like with the Fish Pro trophies and so on, that they've got a rack and they didn't want this part here sticking up. Wouldn't work with their setup, so they don't want it for a flagpole or anything. They just wanted it for the bilge mount. So I came up with the bilge outlet only. This one fits flush. You can put something over it and the water will come up underneath the rack and so on. This works very, very well. If you want just a bilge outlet without being able to, or having to drill into your hull, this is a good choice. Both of these options require this. They require you to take your ski pylon off, your cover off anyway. Remove these 3 bolts and then install this. You're going to bring your hose up through, put it on the end of the nipple, and then you're going to install this and put your bolts in there and fasten it down. That works on either one, doesn't matter which one, and that's basically how it sits. It's really secure and it's not going anywhere. So this here, it's just your cover. This is typically how it sits on there. And if you want to remove it, you remove it. This is the new product. Now, same as this. This is going to fit flush, and this is a bilge only. It is not designed to carry any type of a pole, stick, flag, anything. It is simply for a bilge. So for those of you that want a bilge outlet and don't want to even touch a screw, this is your choice. This is very, very tough. This is 3D printed and it's using ASA filament, which is completely resistant to heat, UV. It's not going anywhere, guys. This is one tough outlet. So let me show you how this installs. So I know I'm going to get the question on the arrows. The arrows right here. And just like I did it, just like the outlet here, those arrows are actually in the direction of how to take it off, not put it on. So the arrows go that way, it comes off. You go against the arrows to install it. Same with this. So the way this fits down in there, put it down in, twist it, you're done. That is it. This is completely installed, ready to go. And now you have a bilge outlet that is not only no cutting, no drilling, but you don't even have to touch a screw. The only tool that you're going to need at all is a screwdriver to attach your bilge clamp on your bilge hose to this outlet right here. That's it. That's it, guys. Other than that, it's this simple. It's literally this simple. Once your hose is installed, set it down in here, twist. It's done. It's a little bit tighter, so even if it was to untwist, which it's not going to, but you still have to pry up pretty good to get it out of there. It's not going anywhere, guys. Plus, with the addition, you put your O-ring on there, and you take that off of your factory cap. Put your O-ring on, set this in there. With the O-ring, it's going to be a little bit snugger, but you just twist it. It's not going anywhere, guys, and this makes this just as watertight as this, with the addition of a bilge outlet right there. So by the time you see this video, these will be up and on the website. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like I said earlier, and click that bell if you want to be notified, because coming up, I'm going to have this actually installed with the bilge pump, and I'm going to show you the difference in the flow between the Sea-Doo factory 360 gallons per hour bilge pump versus a 750. It's pretty cool, actually. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for something like this, and here it is. We'll talk to you next time.